Hi, I'm Heather, founder of Sourcing Playground. I just wanted to take a moment to answer some of the most common questions that we get from our suppliers. So firstly, the quality of your supplier profile hugely impacts the responses you get from brands, making sure that you've added products to your portfolio, images to your company gallery, and also making sure that you've added certifications to your profile, which then can be verified by a member of our team. Secondly, the quality of your quotes hugely impacts your response rate, making sure that you spend time sending personalized quotes, asking questions to the brand and asking for any follow-up designs or information about the products they're looking for, and really making sure that you seem interested in their project. And lastly is how relevant the quotes that you send to the buyers. So making sure that your company type, your location, and the services and products you offer are matching what the brand has asked for. Make sure that you have read the project in depth before you send a quotation. We are aware that some brands are better at completing their project than others, and some brands actually don't provide enough product details. So what we like to say to suppliers is that use these projects as an initial inquiry. You're still going to need to follow up with the brand asking information about their products and designs, but essentially using these as an initial inquiry that you need to then follow up with the brand. We have actually allowed you to send temporary pricing. So if there are projects that you don't have enough details about the products, then you can actually send temporary pricing to make the brand aware that you're going to need a bit more details to follow up. We've also just launched our private and verified projects, where we reach out to brands and verify and check the company information, but also we help them to write better projects. So we ask them more information about their products, their quantities, their specification of the products and images, and then we help them to make sure that they're better quality projects that you can quote on. So look out for the verified badge on the projects. We speak to brands all the time, and once they receive quotations from suppliers, the first thing they ask is, how can I trust this supplier? Or I don't have a lot of information to make a best and informed decision. So with our featured membership, we actually verify and audit factories. We go and do an on-site verification audit, and this audit will be available for all brands to see on your profile. Essentially, brands are more likely to be choosing suppliers who are featured because they have more verification and have been checked by a member of our team. We've been working really hard to try and get more established brands and companies using Sourcing Playground. So therefore, we want to make sure that these companies are getting the best possible experience. So larger projects will be limited to only featured suppliers and paid members being able to quote, to make sure that all the suppliers who are quoting and connecting are verified. Featured suppliers will have more exposure and better visibility to brands to make sure that brands don't miss out on your company. Marketing and communication can be an issue for some suppliers. So that's why we've introduced a dedicated account manager for all featured suppliers. We'll help you rewrite your supplier profile, and we'll also provide guidance and support when sending quotations to help you maximize your success on the platform. Thanks for listening to our FAQs. I hope this has been useful to you. And if you have any further questions or you want more information, just reach out to us. We always love to hear from you.